Becoming a better VJ requires a combination of technical skills, creativity, and experiences. Whether you are total new or a solid pro, there is always a spot for upgrade. Hi, my name is Zunat Sabir Ahmed and I'm not a better VJ, at least not yet. But in this video, I try to put together some essential tips that can get you better with your VJing skills. I will start with very obvious yet essential yet very essential and unskippable topic. Study the basic. Learn about the different type of hardware, software used by VJs, including laptop, controllers, projectors, and video mixers. Research the most commonly used VJ software programs such as Resolume, QLab, Modulate, MadMapper, Touch Designer, and start learning how to use them. Study about the history and evolution of VJing, from its early beginners to its current status as professional art form. Read about pioneering VJs, their technologies, style, and how they influence the development of the art form. To be an effective VJ, you should have a good understanding of video production techniques, including video editing, compositing, and color correction. Consider taking online courses or workshops to gain solid understanding of these skills. There are hundreds of great tutorials of Adobe Suite or similar software on YouTube already. Let me know in the comment below if you want me to make some compositing tips and tricks videos specially for us VJs. Start experimenting with visuals, creating your own content and testing out in real-world scenarios. Try out different visual styles, techniques, and effects and see what works best for you. Consider collaborating with musicians or other artists such as a painter to create visual that complements the music. Attend a live VJ performance to see how VJs work in real-world situation and get a sense of the energy and excitement of the live performance. Keep a close watch how VJs interact with the music and the crowd and pay attention to the visuals and how they use. Practice on a regular basis. Set aside a specific time each day or week for practicing VJing. Make it a priority and stick to your schedule as much as possible. Try out different visual styles, techniques, and effects to see what works best for you. So if I'm not working on a specific project, I often throw a challenge on myself. Every time I sit in a jam, I try to make at least 3 new looks using various effects on some same old clips. Or I make at least 3 new looks using various clips on the same old effects. Simple, but very interesting, right? This way I get to make 5 new things every time. Experiment with both pre-made and stock visuals and your own custom content to expand visual vocabulary. Consider collaborating with musicians, DJs, and other artists, maybe a painter, to create visuals that complement their music. This will give you the opportunity to practice VJing in a live environment and see how your visuals interact with their music. Keep a visual diary of your work, including videos of your performances during each sessions. You could do that by simply recording or capturing your video output just using OBS or just run a basic camera. Look how simply she's doing it. You are older than her, right? So do it. This will give you a constant feeling of being watched, not in a creepy way. But increase your confidence when you have bigger crowd watching your work on a huge display. Then finally, review your work regularly to identify areas of improvement to track your progress. Get involved in a VJ community. By actively participating in the community and contributing to the growth of local art scene, a VJ can build a relationship, develop the skills, establish their reputation as a talented and dedicated visual artist. Network with others in the industry and consider collaborating on the projects or performances coming up. Volunteer your service as a VJ for local community events such as festivals, concerts, or art shows. This will give you an opportunity to practice your skill in front of people and to connect with others in the same community. On this topic, not a suggestion, just sharing my personal preferences. If I volunteer, I would volunteer for causes I believe, or change something to better. But if it's a product, service, or a business, no free juice for you, baby. Till that, forums are the best and organized learning resources available on the internet. Join in online forums and discussion groups for VJs and visual artists. you can still find some useful Facebook groups full of people with similar mind, maybe a bit hidden behind hundreds of ads in Facebook. Share your work, ask questions, and engage in conversation to build relationship with others. Share your skill and knowledge with others and help to grow the community. Make your own events and performances such as visual art exhibitions or VJ nights to showcase your work and bring the local community together. If you want to start even smaller or like the biggest of the biggest, nowadays start a live session on your YouTube Live and have awesome fun there. Keep up with technology. By staying informed, experiment with new technologies and continuous learning, a VJ can stay up to date with the latest advancement in the field and remain awesome in ever-evolving industry. Stay informed about latest development on visual technologies by reading industry publications, attending conferences and trade shows and expos, and follow relevant blogs and websites. You can follow certain software or community Instagram, Facebook or YouTube channel, or maybe follow some hashtags as well. Regularly experiment with the new software, hardware and incorporate new technologies into your practice. This will help you to expand your skills and stay ahead of the curve. Don't get demotivated seeing the limitations of trial version. Rather, make full use of the trial version. Usually they are able to give you a full test before you invest in it. Network with other VJs and visual artists to share knowledge and to learn from others. Attending workshops and classes, participating in online forums, discussion groups, and consider collaboration. Continuously learn by taking courses and attending workshops, expand your knowledge and improve your skill. Seek out resources such as books, online tutorials, and training videos to deepen your understanding of new technologies. Collaborate with other VJs. Communication is the key of any collaboration. Make sure you are clear about your goals, expectations, what you want to achieve in this collaboration. Look for common ground in terms of aesthetic, styles, approach to visual performances. Collaborate with other VJs can provide opportunities to try out new techniques and styles and approaches that you never had tried before. Share resources such as visual contents and equipments can help to streamline the collaborative process and make it more efficient. Collaboration gives you the opportunity to learn from other skills and experiences and perspectives. Be open to change and willing to adjust your approach based on what works best for the collaboration. Focus on your audiences. By focusing on the audiences, VJs can create more immersive and enjoyable experiences for the attendee, which will help the increase of the popularity and success in their industry. Get to know your audiences by researching the venue, event, type of music being played. This will help you to understand the audience's preferences and to create visuals that will appeal to them. Engage audiences by incorporating interactive elements into your visual, such as responsive lighting, dynamic effects. Encourage audience participation through social media by using other interactive tools. Play to the music by creating visuals that complement and enhance the music. This can be achieved through synchronization of the visual with the beat, using light and color to match the mood of the music, and by creating the overall visual narrative that matches the music. Pay attention to the environment and make adjustments to your visuals to best suit for the space. This includes considering lighting condition, stage layout, and overall atmosphere of the event. Evaluate the audience's reaction and adjust your visuals accordingly. Pay attention to audience's body languages, applause, and other cues, and make changes to your visuals in real time to keep audiences engaged. Be open to criticism. Be willing to accept constructive criticisms and feedback on your work. Staying open to criticism can be a bit challenging for anyone, but it's very important for VJs who want to improve and grow their craft. Seek feedbacks from other VJs, industry professionals, and audiences. Focus on constructive criticism that can help you to improve your skill. Don't take criticism personally. Instead, take it as an opportunity to learn and grow. In addition, VJs should focus on creating emotional connections with their audiences by using visual cues that complements the music. Listening to the music in depth and studying structure, rhythm, and dynamics can help VJ to develop deeper understanding of how to use visual elements. Hope this video could help you in some ways. If you are new to VJ, post your question below. And if you are a pro, let me know what I missed. See you next time.